Welcome. In this video we will continue with Metasploit. We will see Metasploit keywords. Understanding and using few keywords in Metasploit can help you navigate and operate this powerful piece of software. Let's take a look on few of the most basic and necessary Metasploit commands. If you already have a little experience in Metasploit and want commands from Meterpreter, check out my Meterpreter command sheet from description or download section of this video. The first keyword is show. Show is one of the most basic commands in Metasploit. It can be used to show modules such as show payload, show exploit, etc. But it can also be used to show option once we have exploit chosen. If we type show payload before selecting an exploit, it will show us all the payloads available. If you type payloads after selecting an exploit, it will show us the payloads that will work with that exploit. For instance, we want to see all the options we need to set when installing a backdoor with the innocent looking PDF. We use a show options command like this. Help. The help command will give you limited list of commands you can use in MSF console. Info. Info is another basic command in Metasploit that enables us to see all the basic information about an exploit. After selecting an exploit, we can type info and it will display all of the option, target and description for the exploit. I basically prefer to type info on any exploit I am using to find or remind myself of its feature and requirements. For instance, here is the output from the info command when using FTP auxiliary module. Set. Set is basic and critical command or keyword in Metasploit. We can use it to set parameter and variable to run the exploit. These variables can include the payload, rhost, lhost, the target, etc. Here you can see we set rhost, lhost, and SMB user and SMB pass to hack system without leaving a trace. Back. When we are done working with particular module or we choose the wrong module, we can use the back command to return to the MSF console prompt. For instance, we choose an exploit then realize we choose the wrong one, we can simply type back and then use command to select another module. Use. When we have decided which exploits we want to use against our target system, we use the use command to load that exploit into memory and ready it to send to the target system. So here is an example where I used use to grab information in memory. Exploit. After choosing our exploit, setting all our variable and choosing our payload, the last thing we do is to type the exploit command. This launches the exploit against the target machine with payload and any variable we might have set. Session. The session command is used to list or set session when used with -l switch. It will list all the open session when used with a number. It tells Metasploit to activate the first session. Metasploit allows us to run multiple sessions on the same system or multiple sessions on multiple systems. Using session command, we can find these open sessions and switch to or activate them. Here is an example for creating an auto-connecting persistent backdoor on the target system. Exit. When we want to leave MSF console, we can simply type exit to return to our Linux shell. So these are the basic commands in MSF console to use Metasploit. In further video, we will see more. Download my Meterpreter command sheet from download section of this video or description of this video. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching this video.